Good day, YouTube. This is J Money with Falling Forward Financial. Just an update here on Orchid Island Capital, or ORC. It's been a while since I've talked about this one. Been doing some dividend videos, so I thought it was time for an update here on this one. I've talked about this one a lot in the past. I got a couple hundred shares of this one. You can see the crappy downturn this one's had over the last year. It's down over 50%, so 551. A year ago, down over 52%. Here in the past 3 months, down over 20%. So I hit a peak there at 343. Down, and we'll just call it 12% in the last month. Down over 14% in the past week, and well, had a green day on Friday, so interesting. But I think it also hit the low on Friday. Ticker ORC. Like I said, I'll link my other videos in the description. This one's investing in residential mortgage-backed securities. Portfolio consists of a traditional pass-through agency and so on. Founded in 2010. Volume of 4.38, average of 3.13, with a $465 million market cap. High on Friday, 265. A low was 244. That also hit the 52-week low. The high of 552. So you could almost trade this one. You get a 20-cent swing in there. But 28.14 dividend yield. That's just kind of crazy. But here you can kind of see the earnings just kind of keep going down. So here's some of my past dividend payments. I moved everything out of Robinhood. So this was back on May 27th. Looks like it was paying 0.045, 4.5 cents. So take 130 times that equals 585. So it looks like that's what I've been getting for the last couple times. And looks like that got canceled at $2.99. That's alright, because it's actually below that. So I have all these as well: AGNC, PSEC, and LY. Looks like they were all green. I've done videos on all those. Probably time for an update on those as well. Orchid Island can't be written off after posting last 3 months average volume of 3.02 million, and this is on the 15th. So at the end of the latest market close, Orchid Island was valued at $2.71, and that particular session stock kicked off at the price of $2.82, while reaching the peak value of $2.82.01. At the lowest value record on the day was $2.70. The stock current market is $2.61. Recently in the news on 6/14. So June 2022, monthly dividend of 0.045, like I shared with you. So the market performance hasn't done squat, so I'll probably get some negative comments in the comments on this one, but that's alright. So just as you can see here, the full year performance was minus 51.43. Some call this a value trap, dividend trap. So as long as they keep paying, someday they'll go back up, and I just have it set here on drip and just let it reinvest. So I've thought about buying some more, but as you can see, it hit a low on Friday, a 52-week low. So I don't know. Going through some of the past on it here, as you can see, it's down. So the moving average of the company 100-day moving period was 3.28, so it just keeps going down. I don't know where it's going to hit the bottom on this one, so I haven't bought any more. Just a couple here and there, but like I said, I just got it set up on drip. But on the 15th, they declared a monthly dividend of 5 cents, so go from 0.045 to 5 cents, so that's kind of cool. Declared a monthly dividend on Wednesday, so maybe the price will start going back up. So if that's the case, now would be the time to buy some. Not that I give tax, legal, or trading advice, but I think I'm maxed out on this one for a while until it goes back up a little bit. I don't know if I'll be buying any more or not of this one, but maybe 10 shares or so, throw at it and see what happens. But so stockholders of record on Thursday, June 30th, will be given a dividend of 0.045 per share by the Real Estate Investment Trust, or REIT, on Wednesday, July 27th. That represents a 54-cent annualized dividend and a dividend yield of 20.30, so a little bit less than what Robinhood shows. The ex-dividend date of the dividend is Wednesday, June 29th. Orchid Island has decreased its dividend by an average of 10% year over the last 3 years. Orchid Island has a dividend payout of 75%, meaning its dividend is currently covered by earnings, but may not be in the future if the company's earnings tumble. Analysts expect Orchid Island to earn 71 cents per share next year, which means the company will continue to be able to cover its 54-cent annual dividend with the expected future payout ratio of 76.1%. ORC traded down 5 cents during midday trading on Wednesday, reaching 266. So still 5.2 million shares of the company stock was exchanged compared to average volume of 3.8. The firm has a market capitalization of $471.13 million, a P/E ratio of minus 2.39, and a beta of 1.32. Has a 1-year low of $2.56 and a 1-year high of $5.67. Businesses 50-day moving average is $3, and its 200-day simple moving average is $3.62. Large investors have recently added to or reduced their stakes in the business. State Street Corp lifted its holdings in the shares of Orchid Island by 17.6% in the first quarter. Now owns 2,541,958 shares. The Real Estate Investment Trust stock is worth $8,374,000. And here's some more buys and holds. So I'll just scroll through those. I should go right to the source on the website and find that information there for yourself. This chart here I thought was kind of interesting. Dividend history. This goes back to August. It was 7 cents, then 6, and 5. Actually, it shows 4.5. So hopefully it doesn't go down any more. So currently at $2.63. We already kind of went over the chart, and you can see the volume pumping in there at times. So over here on Reddit Lounge, ORC is the shiz. Best dividend out there, period. Best drop post X dividend. Currently at 263 here on StockTwits, low of 244, high of 552. So if it goes up to maybe 250 and kind of holds that, maybe I'll buy some more. I haven't quite decided on this one yet, but just have to wait and see. As a whole, this one's been going down for, well, as you can see through the chart, as long as they don't cut the dividend. But it does show a buy 3 analysts with a price target of 388. So if it keeps inching up, could buy some and lower my cost basis and kind of go from there. So like I said, the AGNC and NLY is 2 other good dividend plays. But that is it for ORC, currently at 260. We'll see what it does tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't hit another dip, but maybe you could almost trade it, hit another dip and sell out of it and buy in again and sell out of it again, but just kind of a thought. So but that's it on this one. If you haven't smashed that like button yet, go ahead and hit that for me, as well as subscribing and hit the bell so you're notified of when the next videos drop. Again, this is J Money following Ford Financial. Happy trading, happy investing, stay green. Cheers.